Get a cash offer on your house, guaranteed cash offer, guaranteed sale. You've seen these ads forever all across Tampa Bay. I'm not the only person advertising it. You've heard national hedge funds offering to buy homes. But I have come across an opportunity to bring cash offers to our clients with a fund, with an investment group that is offering prices I've never seen before. If you're someone that wants to sell your home in a cash offer scenario and you want the most money you can get, 90+% of market value is unheard of in cash offer situations. You hear a lot of people say they'll buy at 70% ARV or 80% ARV. Very few are buying at 90% ARV because they don't have scale. They don't have enough things going on to be able to make a profit if they buy it at such a high price. Well, we have a company that is now doing that. So if you're interested in a cash offer on your home that is going to beat the pants off of the other cash offer companies out there, just go to duncanduo.com. You can request a cash offer directly from that website. You can reply to this email. You can send us a message. But the customer that we're working with, that we represent, plans to buy a lot of single family homes in Tampa Bay. Again, get your cash offer. It's quick, it's clean. You don't have to deal with the hassles of traditional real estate. And you may give up a little bit of equity, maybe. In some instances, not. In some instances, we're seeing clients profit better with the cash offer than they are by going on the traditional market and having to do repairs. So again, get your cash offer at duncanduo.com or shoot us a quick message back right here if you've got any questions about our cash offer program.